McDonald's just charged me $5.29 for one Filet-O-Fish. I'm holding them accountable with receipt-proof budgeting. Let's see if we can beat it. I literally drove away thinking, $5 for this? I had to know if making it myself was actually cheaper. I only needed 6 ingredients: cod, brioche buns, panko, cheese, flour, and tartar sauce. Money hack. Before you buy anything, shop your pantry first. I actually got this idea after coming back from Florida. I ate so much fresh seafood, then came home and paid over $5 for a fish sandwich. That didn't sit right with me. These cod loins are thick, way bigger than what McDonald's served me. First, pat the fish completely dry. That's the secret to getting the breading to stick. Then season both sides with a little salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic. Now for the breading. Flour first. It gives the egg something to hold on to. Next, into the egg. Then press it firmly into the panko. Don't just sprinkle it. Really press these breadcrumbs into the fish. Now here's a trick. Let the breaded fish rest for 5 minutes. It helps the coating stick so it doesn't fall off while it cooks. Spray the basket first. Lay the fish inside, then give the tops a little spray too. That helps the panko turn beautifully golden. Air fry at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. No deep fryer, no pot of oil. This is where everything comes together. Toast the brioche, top with American cheese. Add that crispy cod, spread the tartar sauce. Look at the size of that fish. It is noticeably bigger than McDonald's, and it still costs me less. Now, let's prove it. Cod, $2. Brioche bun, 57 cents. Cheese, 9 cents. Tartar sauce, 20 cents. Panko, 7 cents. Flour, 2 cents. Egg, cooking spray, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic, about 21 cents. My true total cost is $3.06 per sandwich. That's receipt-proof budgeting. Taste by Odyssey's Filet-O-Fish. Oh yeah, it's over. The fish is flaky, the crust is crispy, and the toasted brioche takes it to another level. If you want restaurant favorites for less, subscribe. And next up, World Cup Eats. I'm making Korean air fried chicken on a receipt-proof budget. Peace!